All right, good morning, folks.
Good morning.
You are here for Infraction Ordinance Court. The way this will work is that I'll call your cases one at a time. I will tell you what the allegation is in the citation. If any of you received a citation that initially had a fine of $200 on it, I'm going to tell you right now, I'm going to offer you the opportunity to pay $30. And the reason I'm going to do that is, as an emergency matter, the City of Naples issued orders increasing the penalties on parking tickets as a means of discouraging too many people from coming to the beach. It was COVID. Governor DeSantis had issued an order removing the ability of municipalities to impose fines for COVID-related measures. And so the city attorney has interpreted that as being a requirement to go back to the original fine scheme of, of a scale thing where the first opportunity to pay the ticket is $37. So that being said, I'm going to give folks that opportunity. If you want to do that, just let me know. Otherwise, you still have the right to contest your ticket. I will tell everybody I am live streaming today's proceedings. Normally this would be happening in a courtroom, and any member of the public at any time could walk in and out of the courtroom as they saw fit. But because you all were given an ID and a password, and the rest of the public does not have that, we had to provide some sort of means by which the public can watch our proceedings. And so we are live streaming this on YouTube. I want to tell you that I'm doing this, one, so you're aware, but two, so you also understand that there's not a record being made of today's proceedings, at least not in that way. It's purely a live stream. The moment that the hearing comes to an end, it gets deleted. So there will not be any recording of today's proceedings. All right. With that being said, Ms. Human, good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
Well, ma'am, it's good to see you.
You too. I'm actually going to be requesting a continuance. This is on 20 IN 1025. And the reason for that is if I have done a public records request from the sheriff's office as to some of Deputy Campolo's MDT transactions for that day, and I'm waiting to hear back from them.
All right. Deputy, do you object to her continue so she can try to obtain a little more information? I can't hear you, sir. Could you please unmute?
Is it working now?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay. No, Your Honor, I don't object.
All right. Maria, can I get another infraction ordinance date?
We have March the 11th at 11 a.m.
All right. And that's in front of me, yes?
Yes, sir.
All right. Is that enough time, Ms. Human?
It should be. Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. March 11th at 9 o'clock. Does that work for you as well, Deputy? Will it be available on that date?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. We'll see you both then.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a good day.
Thank you. All right. All right. Let's see. I've got German Antonio Paz Lores. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Johan.
How are you?
Good.
This is 20MO766. Sir, you received a citation for, let me pull it up here. Oh, it looks like, there we go. Looks for an expired meter. And actually, I had forgotten the city has changed the fines and increased them a little bit from where they were. Now the lowest level penalty is $77, and that's on the new citation. So that's where we're at baseline. And for all the officers at NPD, good morning.
Morning, Your Honor.
All
right, sir. What would you like to do, Mr. Paz?
I don't understand what is I have the ticket because I have my beach parking.
You had a beach parking test at the time?
This time, Johanna, I have this in my registration. I have this ticket for June 20. It's valid to the January 21.
Did you have the sticker
in my car? Yes, I have
the windshield on the lower left-hand corner.
In the no, I have in the right corner, not in the lower, in the right corner.
Oh, it was on the
in
wrong.
the high corner in the side, not in the lower side.
NPD, do you have a photo of the windshield?
Yes,
Here,
Your
I
Honor.
got it.
There you
Got
go.
it.
Let me take a look here. Hold on one moment. I need to. I switched to speaker view. I need someone from NPD just to say something. It'll switch back over to you.
Hello.
There it goes. All right. I'm having a hard time seeing it. Oh, I see it right above the passenger side. Is that it?
In the passenger side, in the high side, in the, not in the lower, in the high
It does
side.
look like there's a sticker there. NPD, the best I can tell, I can see a sticker there. Is that right?
Well, Your Honor, I work at night and I couldn't see it, and I got flashlights on and everything else, and because it's in that corner is probably why I couldn't see it.
Yes, sir. But it look. I mean, I looks to me like I can see a sticker on that corner. Can you all look at the picture and tell me if you see it or not, or is it just like a shadow? Is it
There's
just
something there, but I don't know.
All right,
Kind of looks like a shadow.
just a shadow. Mr. Paz, can you hold up your registration showing when your beach sticker was issued?
Let's see.
Go ahead and say something, sir. So you go to the bigger screen.
They're yellow. It doesn't look yellow.
Mr. Paz, you need to say something. That way you'll switch over to you.
This is the.
There we go. All right, let me take a look.
Can you read that? I can't.
I can't see that. Can you either back? There you go. All right, so I think it says July 20th.
July 20.
All right. Thank you.
I also made a video for the. What is my? I don't know if you can see this.
Well, what are you showing me?
Where I have the sticker, I have the.
Oh, all right. Let's look. Yeah. Keep showing me. Not there. I don't see a sticker. Oh, I see it. Look.
What's he doing?
Oh, it's under the tinted part of the.
Well, that's why you can't expect to see that, Your Honor.
No, I don't blame you. I don't blame you one bit. All right, so here's the deal. You need to move that sticker to where it's supposed to be, which is the lower left-hand corner, the driver's side on the bottom corner. That's where these officers are looking for that sticker. That's where it's supposed to be. I don't believe this officer. He's walking around at night, and you have it behind the tinted part of your windshield. How is he supposed to see that?
I'm sorry, because
Right.
I have some nasty thing in the low corner. Entonces I can't remove it. Entonces I put in the high corner. It's no.
If you want to avoid getting another ticket, you've got to put it in that corner where it belongs.
Okay, I need clean all this. This is.
Yep. In the meantime, sir, given that you had a valid ticket at the time, you just put it in the wrong spot. I'm going to give you a warning today. Okay.
Okay, thank you.
But I said I don't blame the officer one bit. If I was walking around at night looking for it, I wouldn't have seen it there. Wouldn't have seen it there either. So please move it right away if you're going to park downtown again. Otherwise, don't be surprised if you get a ticket.
Okay.
And this time, you know.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Good luck to you. Take care.
okay. Thank you so much.
Your Honor, I have one more.
Yes, sir. Who do you have?
Krishan Newman.
Okay.
21 MO 20.
All right.
I leave the.
Yep, you're free to go.
No, Johan. Okay.
All right.
Thank you.
Good day.
Johan, have a good day. Thank you.
All right. Is Krishan Newman there? If you are, please unmute. Krishan Newman? All right. There's only a couple other people left on, sir. Let me just call them and I'll go back around. If they're not here, we'll wrap it up real quick, okay? Thank you, officer.
Okay, thank you, Your Honor.
All right, I've got someone signed in. Is it Margaret Gateau? Ma'am, you're not logged into audio, so I can't hear you. You need to sign into audio, please. Ma'am, can you hear me? If you can hear me, give me a thumbs up. All right, so you can hear me, but I cannot hear you. You might want to try logging out, maybe logging back in. But you got to join audio, otherwise I won't be able to hear you. All right.
I'm sorry, sir. Your Honor, can you hear me now?
Yes, who am I talking to?
This is Margaret Gatto. My apologies, sir.
Oh, I
I
got
have double mute. I'm phone audio, and I apologize.
no problem. Good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good morning. I'm well, sir.
All right. I've got, this is 20 MO 745. And good morning, officer.
Good morning, Your Honor.
All right. This is a citation issued for, looks like an expired meter. All right. Ma'am, what did you want to do today?
Officer, I'm sorry, Your Honor.
go
I paid the meter, and I have confirmation. My bad. I was paying the meter in front of me. So I can show you the text messages where I extended parking and paid the parking, but there was a white car in front of me. I looked back and paid the wrong space.
Oh.
But I could show you my confirmation.
Officer, which space was this issued for?
Issue for space number 3009, Your Honor.
All right.
And if
She sent me confirmation that she had put money
Yes,
in
sir.
3010.
Yes, sir.
Looks like, yep, this is, all right. All right, so officer, Ms. Gateau is admitting that she didn't put money in the meter where her car was parked. She put it in the spot next to it. What's your position?
Your Honor, I'm fine with whatever decision you wish to make.
All right, ma'am. I'm going to go ahead and dismiss the ticket today. You know, just please be more careful in the future.
Yes, Your Honor, I will be for sure. Thank you very much.
Thank you, ma'am. Take care. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You too. Thank you.
sir. All right. I have a gentleman signed in under the name Jim. Who do I have?
Jim Stegermark.
Good morning, sir. How are you?
Good. How about you?
Doing well. This is 20 MO 741.
Chuck.
Oh, you can go ahead and sign off, ma'am. There you are. Bye.
Second mark.
All right. Sir, you received a citation alleging that there was an expired meter.
It was actually an expired beach pass.
So you had a beach pass, but it was expired.
Yeah, I'd gone to the library that day, and East Library, East Naples no longer issues them, so I went to the regional the next day, and in between I got that ticket. And I have my registration that I got it the next day. So it was expired by 2 weeks. I'm just asking for a little forgiveness in these times.
All right. Officer Walters, good morning, sir.
Morning, Your Honor.
So, sir, it looks like oh, there it is. All right, let me do a share screen because this gentleman went ahead and sent me a copy of his new beach sticker. And there it is. Looks like it's clipped for September of 2020. And sir, you're telling me you went ahead and got it on. Oh, is this the old one?
Yeah, that's the old one showing it expired in September.
Okay.
And then I got my new one the next day, and I sent you a copy of that below.
There we go. November
Right
17th.
there.
All right.
Yeah.
And the ticket was issued on the 16th. All right. So, officer, what would you like to do?
Whatever you want to do, Your Honor.
All right, sir. I'll do a judicial warning today. Just please, be mindful of that. And if it's expired, obviously you have to feed the meter, okay?
Thank you very much.
All right, take care, sir. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.
Your Honor, I have 2 more cases.
Sure. Who do you have?
Let's see, 0766 2020.
Connor Savinas. Is Connor Savinas present? If you are, please unmute.
I'm Connor's mom. Connor's 17.
Oh, good morning, ma'am. How are you?
Good.
What is your name, please?
Joy Savinas.
Good morning, ma'am. All right. So I take it you're the one who has to pay this ticket if it has to be paid.
Yeah, yeah. So actually, I think Connor was in the wrong. I'm not sure. He was at the boat launch, and I know he's been there, I don't know, maybe 5 times. We just moved here from Michigan.
Okay.
But I don't know if he did have a pass or not. So if you want me, I'm just trying to figure out how to go online and pay for that, because I think.
All right, that's fair. Listen, there's no punishment for setting this for a hearing. So what I can do is I'll just do the original minimum amount, which was $77.
Okay.
And though there is a $10 court fee, and I don't have any control over that. So the total is $87. And you can pay that to callyourclerk.com. You just go on there and you can pay it online, okay?
Okay. All right. Thank you so much.
Yes, ma'am. Have a good day, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, Maria, that'll be a withhold.
Okay, I was just going to ask you that question.
Withhold 6 days pay.
6 days pay?
Yep.
Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Your Honor, the last case is 031.
Okay.
2021.
I don't see that one. 031. Oh, there it is. I'm sorry. Vladimir Martinez. Vladimir Martinez present? I think I see you. Can you hear us okay? You're not logged into audio, Mr. Martinez. You're gonna need to log into audio. Mr. Martinez, can you hear us okay? Vladimir Matuchak Martinez. All right. Sorry, officer. I'm sorry, Mr. Martinez. I'll have to circle back to you both while he work out his audio. He's on. I can see his name. I'm just waiting. You'll just need to figure out how to get your audio working, sir.
Okay.
So give him a moment. And then I have one lady signed in under Galaxy S8. What is your name, please?
Rashawn Newman.
Good morning, Miss Newman. How are you?
Good morning.
All right. This is 21MO20. Ma'am, you received a ticket alleging that you parked on curb marked by yellow paint. Did you want to contest the ticket today?
Yes.
All right. Officer, please proceed whenever you're ready.
Okay.
Sorry.
That's all right. I think we jumped the gun there. Hold on, Your Honor. Okay. On November 17th, 2020 at 4:49 p.m., I wrote a citation for yellow curb on 13th Avenue Beach End. And it was I think an Audi black SUV, Florida tag CNP5099. And I have pictures to show you the vehicles parked at the yellow curb in a turnaround.
Oh, gotta get that camera to focus. Let's see. Come on, camera. Adjust. Oh, there it goes. All right. All right. Yeah, I see it. Thank you.
Thanks.
All right. And the ordinance says you can't park where the curb is marked as a yellow curb, correct?
That's right.
All right. Anything further, sir?
No, Your Honor.
All right. Ms. Newman?
Yes, I had pulled to the side to feed, and I got in the back seat to feed my baby. She was crying, and that was what I was doing.
You were in the car?
Yeah, I was in a back seat. The car was on and I was in the back seat feeding a baby. She's
Okay.
breastfed.
Okay. Officer, this lady was in the car?
Didn't know anyone was in the car, but either way, it's at the yellow curb, and the sign at the end of the beach end says "Park and Mark spaces only." You know.
They didn't have any spaces available, and the baby was crying, so I just pulled to the side and got in the back seat to feed the baby.
Okay.
And I went to the police station to see if they could do something, and they told me I would have to come to court.
Okay. Did you see the officer putting the ticket on the car?
No, I was feeding the baby. The baby was like crying really loud and stuff. I didn't see anything until I got out to get back in the car, and then it was on the car.
Okay. All right. All right, ma'am. I'm gonna go ahead and just give you a warning today.
Okay.
Have to park in an appropriate spot. All right.
Okay.
Even under those circumstances, and believe me, I understand. One day I was driving down the highway with my wife and my baby, and the baby started screaming and crying. We couldn't figure out what it was. And
Yeah, she was like screaming, so I just pulled to the side. They didn't even spot.
Yeah,
So
we
I
pulled over to the side of the road, and you know what it was? The little toy rhino under her rear end that was upsetting her so much. But in that moment, you got to just stop and deal with it. I understand.
yes.
But the law is a law, and you do have to make sure you pull into a proper spot. It's also for your own safety under those circumstances, right?
Okay.
All right. Thank you,
I
ma'am.
understand.
Take care.
Thank you.
All right. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you, officer. All right. Let's see if Mr. Martinez has been able to join us. Mr. Martinez, can you hear us? Maybe you could try logging off and logging back on. You can hear me, sir. Try logging off and logging back on. Or the other option, sir, if you can't get that to work, if you can hear me, you can call my judicial assistant at 239-252-8114, and she'll put you into my chambers. Please try one of those options. The good news is that we don't have 40 of these today. I don't think we're going to have dockets like that anymore.
I hope not.
Me too. Your officer who's in the hospital, how is he doing?
Honestly, we're not sure. We were told he's in critical care, and we're not getting much information back.
All right. Well, my prayers are with him.
Thank you. Thank you. We do have one case that doesn't look like she's here.
Yes, ma'am.
The MO 754.
Yes, ma'am. I was just looking at that now. Susan Keller. Let me take a look. There was a request for hearing. Let me see where it is. It's on the citation. She's one of the few people who did not provide a phone number. So we just mailed the notice.
Didn't we have her for another citation last week? A couple weeks ago? Last month.
Did she show up for that?
Yes.
Maybe she thought that was it.
Is this one a dog on the beach?
That was a dog.
Oh, that one was a dog on the beach.
Expired permit.
Well,
Oh, that was with Judge Nicola. Yes. Right, dog on the beach.
well, what do you think? I could renotice this one time, so just in case she's confused and thought maybe she took care of everything.
Sure.
All right, I'll do that. Maria,
Yes, sir.
can we continue this one more time to my March infraction docket and give her one more chance?
Yes, sir. March 11th at 11 a.m.
All right, thank you.
You're
Is there any other that I didn't call?
No.
Let me see if Mr. Martinez gave us a phone number, and maybe I can have maybe I can have my JA give him a call and put him through with me. I know he's there. Well, let's see. We seem to have a phone number. Oof. Can you see it on? Do you see his request for hearing? I can't make out the area code. I can't tell if that's a 713 or a 7. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Maybe you all can help me read this, because we can give him a call. Can you see that?
Oh, 763, 713.
It might be a 6.
What are the last two digits?
143 something.
Looks like an E. Looks like it's a
Those look like an E.
All right. I'm gonna see if I can have Sarah give this gentleman a call. I'll be right back.
Okay.
There you are.
Oh,
Sir,
there he is.
we got you.
Okay.
All right. Go ahead and unmute, please.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Your handwriting is almost as bad as mine. Not quite, but almost. All right. You just made it. We're trying to figure out how to reach you.
Yeah, yeah, Zoom.
You're good. All right. Good morning, sir.
Morning.
So you received a citation for an expired meter?
Yes.
Would you like to challenge the citation at this time?
Yes.
All right. Go ahead, Officer Walters.
Your Honor, on January 5th, 2021, approximately 1:35 in the afternoon, at Beach Inn, 11th Avenue South, observed Volkswagen two-door white in color, tag 147 YUG, was parked in space 112. It was expired and I issued a citation. I have a copy of the windshield and also the space number.
All right. Very good. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
I issued a citation, nothing further.
Okay. Mr. Martinez, tell me why you shouldn't have to pay the citation.
Well, I parked in the front of the pay meter, and when I got there, I got on my car. The screen was completely turned off. Like it looked like it was turned off. So I went there. I touched I touched a couple buttons. It didn't pop out. After that, I put my credit card in. Nothing popped out. Then my girlfriend tried the same thing and it didn't pop out. So we thought that the meter was just not working, or it was just a seasonal kind of situation. So we didn't pay anything. And then like 2 hours later, we come back and we have a ticket in our window.
All right. All right. Well, sir, here's the thing. You know, even if it's not working, it doesn't mean that parking is free necessarily. It just, the ordinance doesn't give an exception. Is someone going NPD? Is there an issue? Are you?
No, Your Honor. No, Your Honor. There's no issue.
Oh, I mean, are you aware of it being a broken meter or anything like that?
Your Honor, it's not a broken meter. It's when it's dark like that, that means it's in sleep mode. You have to press the button in order to get it to come on.
Okay.
That's all you have to do.
No, we just actually found a pamphlet that has all the beach parking information on there.
Okay.
And it says the parking meters go in sleep mode. So that's what I was just looking at.
All right. All right. So, Mr. Martinez, I'm sorry, but it sounds like it was just user error. I can understand the confusion. I really can. But you know, but you did, but you did violate the ordinance. So, You know, the minimum penalty is $77 when we do the minimum penalty. Plus there's a, you know, a $10 court fee, all right? So it totals $87. Okay.
And if I can't do anything, I guess I have to pay it.
Yes, sir. I can give you 60 days to pay it, and you just pay it at collierclerk.com, okay?
Where at?
Collierclerk.com.
Okay.
All right.
All right. Because I also called the department to get someone there, and I waited an hour and no one came to talk about it because I didn't know. Because over here in Minnesota, if a pay meter is turned off, it means that it's off and it's seasonal. So I thought it was almost the same thing, but it didn't even turn on when I touched the buttons, and I even have a picture of it.
I'm sorry, sir. I mean, the ordinance is pretty straightforward. It's if you park in the spot, you either have to have the beach sticker or you have to put money in the meter. And I'm being told by MPD the meter was fully operational. And I can tell you in the past, when they have had problems with the meters, they've told me that. They said, no, this meter was broken at that time. And they'll dismiss the ticket if it was broken.
Okay.
All right. So the total is $87, sir. I can give you 60 days to pay it, okay?
Okay.
All right. Take
Your
care.
Honor,
Yes,
Your
ma'am.
Honor, is it a withhold or an adjudication?
Withhold.
Withhold. Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Martinez.
Yes.
All right. NPD, I think that was it, yes?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, everybody. Take care.
All right,
Have a
you
good
too.
afternoon.
Bye-bye.
Maria, are you with me this afternoon?
I am, Your Honor.